Can you get ERISA disability insurance benefits for triple-negative breast cancer? Well, if you have an ERISA disability policy through your employer and have been diagnosed with triple-negative breast cancer, you may be eligible for your ERISA disability benefits. Unfortunately, disability carriers really don't understand what comes after the diagnosis. What do I mean by that? Well, many of the forms of treatment, the intense chemotherapy, the radiation, the surgeries can often result in complications that in and of themselves can make you eligible for your disability insurance benefits. Other common side effects can include fatigue, nauseousness, neuropathies, cognitive impairment, chronic pain. All of those symptoms can make it difficult, if not impossible, to do your own occupation or any occupation. So what you need to understand when you are applying for your ERISA disability benefits are the terms of the policy. The policy will define the definition of disability, occupation, and the nature of the proof that you have to supply to get your benefits. Disability carriers are going to want to see your medical records that document not only the diagnosis, but the treatment and your response to the treatment. Many times, disability carriers will say, well, you've had the surgery, you've completed your course of treatment, you must have recovered to be able to work, or you're in remission and therefore you absolutely can go back to work. Those kinds of faulty analyses, if you will, of a claim are the basis of many claims denial or terminations. They simply don't understand, as I've said, the nature of the treatment that you will undergo, the complications you can have from that treatment, and the side effects that you can have from the treatment, which would interfere with your ability, for example, to use your hands if you have problems with neuropathy, or if you have problems with fatigue, you'll need to take frequent breaks. If you have cognitive issues, you may not be able to remember the tasks that need to be done, the order in which they need to be done. You might also have mental confusion, fogginess, all of which can contribute to your inability to do your own or any occupation. If your disability carrier is giving you a hard time about your application for benefits or have denied or terminated your benefits, please call us at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We can help you get the ERISA disability benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States and regardless of who that disability carrier might be.